Model 2019 Ford Transit T350 2.0 TDCi rear-wheel drive Euro 6 long MOT spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 121706 MOT, 14 August 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 170ps transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner cam belt has broken, will need replacing. Nice easy repair on these 2.0 TDCi engines. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,550. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.